Good morning. Today discuss about in a tray tower, downspout, weir and different types of trees. तो in a previous lecture में આપણે tray tower જોઈ ગયા હતા in a mass transfer 2. तो first of all discuss करिए what is a downspout. So downspout is the liquid is laid from one tray to the next by means of downspout or downcomer. Downspouts means જે tray tower માં ફિગરમાં આપણે જોઈ ગયા હતા કે લિક્વિડનો ફ્લો રેટ, લિક્વિડ ઇનલેટ અને લિક્વિડ આઉટલેટ, દેન ગેસ ઇનલેટ એન્ડ આઉટલેટ, જેના માટે જે પ્રોસિજર છે એ આપણે ફિગરમાં જોઈ ગયા હતા. તો સિમ્પલી અ ટ્રે ટાવર ઇઝ અ વર્ટિકલ સિલિન્ડ્રિકલ ઇન ધ લિક્વિડ ઓર ગેસ આર કનેક્ટેડ ઇન ધ સ્ટેપ વાઇઝ ફેશન્સ. ઇન અ ડાઉનસ્પોટ ઇઝ the liquid is laid from one tray to the next by means of downspout. એ જે એક ટ્રે પછી બીજી ટ્રેમાં આવશે. what is the main word? The one tray to the next tray પર આવશે. Okay, this is the downspout or downcomers. This may be the circular pipe or preferably portion of the tower in the cross section set aside from for the liquid flow rate by a vertical plate. શેના માટે કીધું છે? ઇઝ અ વર્ટિકલ પ્લેટ માટે, એઝ સોન ઇન અ ફિગર, જે આપણે ફિગરમાં કમ્પ્લીટલી જોઈશું. ઇઝ અ ડાઉનસ્પોટ, inlet weir and also outlet weir. Okay, this part, what is the downspout? The liquid is laid from one tray to the next tray by means of the downspout or downcomers. This may be the circular pipes or preferably the portion of the tower, the cross section set aside for liquid flow by vertical plates as shown in figure. તો ફિગરમાં જોઈશું આપણે ઇઝ અ સીલ પોટ એરેન્જમેન્ટ, જે ફિગરમાં આપણે ટ્રે ટાવરનો વર્ટિકલ ડાયાગ્રામમાં જોઈ ગયા હતા. ઇઝ અ નંબર ઓફ ટ્રેઝ સ્ટેજ વાઇઝ. ઇઝ અ વિયર એન્ડ ડાઉનસ્પોટ. તો વોટ ઇઝ અ વિયર? ઇન ધીસ વે ધીસ પાર્ટ. Okay, this way and this part for a outlet weir and inlet weir. This is a part of the seal port. Okay, then the flow completely in a downspout in a number of plates in a depth. Okay, this is a seal port arrangement for a downcomers in a downspout. Okay, ટ્રે ટાવરમાં આપણે જોઈએ તો જે લિક્વિડ અને ગેસની ઇનલેટ અને આઉટલેટ પ્રોસિજર છે એમાં નંબર ઓફ ટ્રે યુઝ કરીએ છીએ અને વર્ટિકલી vertical cylinder use કરી છે. This is a liquid and gas are concept in the step wise fashions for a different types of trays and also plate. Then what is the weir? Weir આપણે ફિગરમાં જોયું છે. The weir inlet and outlet, એનો શું યુઝ એ જોઈએ. Weir, the depth of the liquid on the tray required for a gas conducting is maintained by an overflow weir, which may be are not to be a continuations of the downspout plate. શું કીધું છે? મેન ઇઝ અ ડેપ્થ. This is a depth of the liquid on the tray required for the gas conducting is maintained by an overflow weir, which may or not be a continuations of the downspout plate. Okay, in the tray tower use the different types of tray આપણે જોવાના છે. Okay, તો first one sieve tray, priority of tray, lean tray, then valve tray and counter flow. તો one by one આપણે ડિસ્કશન કરીશું. The first one is a in a tray is a bubble cap tray. તો બબલ કેપ ટ્રેનો એનો કઈ રીતે યુઝ કરવાનો છે તે આપણે ડિસ્કસ કરીએ. ઇઝ અ સિમ્પલી બબલ કેપ ટ્રે. એમાં રિવર્સ ફ્લો આવશે, ક્રોસ ફ્લો, દેન સ્પ્લિટ ફ્લો, રેડિયલ ફ્લો અને કેસ્કેડ ફ્લોમાં આવશે. ઓન ધ ટ્રેઝ ધ ચિમનીઝ આર અરાઇઝ લેટ ધ ગેસ થ્રુ ધ ટ્રે એન્ડ અંડરનીથ ધ કેપ્સ સરાઉન્ડિંગ અરાઇઝ. શું કીધું છે? જેનો રિવર્સ ફ્લો છે, ક્રોસ ફ્લો છે, સ્પ્લિટ ફ્લો છે, એને રેડિયલ ફ્લો, કેસ્કેડ ફ્લો દ્વારા જે એની અલગ અલગ રીતે એરેન્જમેન્ટ કરવામાં આવશે એ પ્રમાણે આપણે જોઈશું. Then the liquid depth is such that the caps are covered in a nearly so detailed design characteristics in a bubble cap tray. Okay, and also in a bubble cap have been used for over 150 years. જે છેલ્લા 150 વર્ષથી બબલ કેપ ટ્રેનો આપણે યુઝ કરીએ છીએ એનો ટ્રે ટાવર. Okay, they are offer distinct advantages of this being able to the handle very large range of this liquid and gas flow rates. Okay, the handle the very wide range of the liquid and gas flow rate. The satisfactory is, okay, the rate of the ratio of the design rate to the minimum rate is the turn down ratio. They have now been abandoned for new installations because of their cost, which is roughly and double the sieve trays, ballast trays, and a counter flow and a valve trays. This is the bubble cap tray only. Okay, which in the parts of this where the depth of the liquid on the tray required for the gas containing is maintained by a overflow weirs, and which may be or not to be a continuation of the downspout split. In the tray tower, use bubble cap tray, sieve tray, priority tray, lint tray, and valve tray. And last one is a counter flow. The first one is a completed discussion, bubble cap tray over, and the second one sieve tray. तो sieve tray में જોઈએ આપણે. These trays are been known almost as long as bubble cap tray. Bubble cap tray करता sieve tray જે long આવશે, and they have filled the outdoor fever during the first half of the century. તો 50-50 વર્ષથી એનો sieve tray નો યુઝ કરી છે, પણ બબલ કેપ ટ્રે કરતા long છે. Then but they fell out of the favor during the first half of the 6th century. Then low cost, however, the now made of these them the most important the trade device. In a vertical section of the plan, view are shown schematically in a figure. Then principle of this part, the horizontally sit and the perforated metals. अलग अलग metal ने આપણે એને use કરીશું. Okay. Then in a sieve tray is a almost long bubble cap tray છે, and this gas જેમાં across the liquid flow with the gas passing upward through the performance and the gas dispersed by the perforations expand the liquid into a turbulent froth characterized by a very large interfacial surface. For mass transfer, the trays are subject to flooding because of the backup of a liquid in the downspout or excessive entrainment as described earlier. Is a completely discuss about the sieve tray જે બબલ કેપ કરતા long છે. Then priorities. Which one is the priority? The priority is the many decades the basic design of the tray tower. Okay, the basic design of the tray tower. Internals remain relatively static. Recently years have been a great many innovations, only a few of which can be mentioned here. In the lint tray, these designs have involved improvements both in the perforations design and the tray arrangement. Okay, these are priorities. એમાં આપણે જોઈશું lint tray. This tray design for improvement performances and this arrangement is of this figure. As one is the slotted tray and alternative perforations pattern to increase the flow of liquid. The slots distributed throughout the tray not only reduce the hydraulic gradient in a large tray but are also so deployed that they influence that directions of the flow to eliminate stagnant areas and achieve as nearly as the possible decreasing the plug flow of across the tray. જે બબલિંગ પ્રોમીટર છે એના બેઝિસ પર આવશે lint tray. ઓકે, એમાં અલગ અલગ પાર્ટ છે, સ્લોટેડ sieve tray and also bubbling prometer, and last one is a valve tray. Valve and counter flow tray જોઈશું આપણે. The valve tray are these with large, say 35 to 40 mm diameter હશે એનો, અને variable openings, the performance are covered with movable caps which rises the flow rate and they increase at low rate corresponding to small opening, and the tendency of this reduced very high gas rates, and the ballast tray in the valve design is shown in a figure. Okay, this simply a ballast tray એની એફિશિયન્સી પર ડિપેન્ડ કરશે એ વસ્તુ. Then in the tray efficiency in the fractional approaches to the equilibrium stages which is attained by a real trays ultimately be required for a measures approaches to the equilibrium. Okay, then આપણે જોઈશું ટ્રે ટાવર છે. ટ્રે ટાવરમાં ઓલમોસ્ટ આપણે ડિટેલમાં ડિસ્કશન કરવાના છે. એ પેક ટાવર, okay, is a for a liquid and gas components છે. Okay, then this is a part of this point efficiency. The point efficiency in a schematic representations for a tray maintain a tray tower. Okay, then continue કરીશું આપણે in a pack tower માં જઈશું. Okay, this is a pack tower. In a pack tower used from continuous contact of the gas and liquid. શું કીધું છે? ઇન અ પેક ટાવર જે ગેસ અને લિક્વિડ, જે લિક્વિડ ઇન લિક્વિડ આઉટ અને ગેસ આઉટ, જે આ બંને પાર્ટ્સ છે, ધીસ વન અને ધીસ વન. ઓકે, દેન ધ કન્ટિન્યુઅસ કોન્ટેક્ટ ઓફ ધ લિક્વિડ and gas in both counter current and counter flow are vertical columns which have been filled with packaging device or large surface. Okay, જે આ કોલમ બતાવી છે ડિટેલ્સમાં જોઈએ આપણે. જુઓ, this is a gas outlet part, liquid in, this is a liquid out. In a simply is a tower, but a arrangement is a different. For a random packing, this way is a random packing, and a packing નો યુઝ કર્યો છે. then is also using a liquid distributors, જે પેકેજિંગ રેસ્ટ્રેનર સેલ લિક્વિડ ડિસ્ટ્રીબ્યુટર પર ડિપેન્ડ કરશે. એ સપોર્ટ આપ્યો છે, પેકેજિંગ સપોર્ટ આપ્યો છે એનો. ઓકે, ઇન અ સિમ્પલી પાર્ટ ફોર અ પેક ટાવર. Okay, this is a pack tower used for continuous contact of the liquid and gas, both counter current and counter flow. In this way, then also using a random packing and also using a regular packing. જે પેકેજિંગના ફિગર્સ છે જે આપણે નેક્સ્ટ વિડીયોમાં જોઈશું. then a vertical columns which have been filled with a packaging or device of large surface area. Okay, the liquid distributed over. Okay, this is a liquid distributor is over in a random packing packing strainer, જેમાં આપણે random packing યુઝ કર્યું છે, this one. Okay, then a figure in a distributed over that trickles down through the pack bed exposing a large surface of the contact the gas. Okay, is a large surface the contact with the gas in our type. And then some provide in a packaging. Okay, this is a part for a pack tower. Simply the pack tower used for a continuous contact of the liquid and the gas is both counter current and counter flow are the vertical columns which have been filled with the packaging or device or a large surface in the figure. જે આપણે ફિગરમાં જોયું છે, લાર્જ સરફેસ એરિયા છે એનો. ઓકે, and the gas and liquid and enter and out for a dependent liquid redistributor and a simply gas in, જેમાં આપણે રેન્ડમ પેકિંગનો યુઝ કર્યો છે. And the last point for a this liquid distributed over the trickle downs for a pack bed exposing the large surface of the contact gas. Okay, this is the part of a pack tower. હવે જો થોડું રિવિઝન પાર્ટ જોઈ લઈએ આપણે સ્ટાર્ટિંગનું. in a tray tower, What is the downspout? Okay, the liquid is laid from the one tray to the next by means of the downspout or downcomers. જે આપણી ફિગરમાં જોઈ ગયા છે ટ્રે ટાવરમાં. Then this may be a circular pipes or the preferably properties of the tower. The cross section set aside from a liquid flow rate by a vertical plate as shown in a figure. Then a inlet weir and outlet weir. Okay, જે ફિગરમાં આપણે જોયું છે, this is a part for a seal pot arrangement. Okay, seal pot arrangement છે, this is a seal pot, and the inlet weir and also outlet weir is a part. This may be a circular pipes for a preferably portions of the tower. The cross section set aside from the liquid flow rate and vertical plate as shown in a figure. Then second part is a weir. So what is a weir? The weir is the depth of the liquid and the tray required for gas containing is maintained by an overflow weirs, which may be or not be a continuations of this downspout. In a tray tower, use bubble cap tray. This is a almost all using for a bubble cap tray, sieve tray, varieties of tray, lean tray, valve tray. Then in comparisons between the bubble cap tray in the greater than large scale is the sieve tray. એના કરતાં long છે. Okay, this is a part for a in a tray tower. And also valve tray and counter flow tray. Then next part is a tray tower. જેમાં આપણે જોયું is a continuous contact. Okay, the for liquid and gas in the both counter current are counter flow and a vertically columns which have to be filled with the packaging or device of large surface in a figure, and this liquid is distributed over the trickles down for a pack bed exposing a large surface for a contact to the gas. જે રીતે કોન્ટેક્ટમાં આવશે એ રીતે એનું આગળ વધશે. ઓકે, this is a part for a pack tower. In also using in a random packing and regular packing, જે આપણે નેક્સ્ટ લેક્ચરમાં જોઈશું. એની કેરેક્ટરિસ્ટિક્સ પણ આપી છે ફોર અ કેરેક્ટરિસ્ટિક્સ છે, રેન્ડમ પેકિંગ્સ છે, એની સમ ફિગર્સ છે અલગ અલગ, એન્ડ રેગ્યુલર પેકિંગ બી છે, એના ફિગર જોઈશું અને પેકિંગ સપોર્ટ બી જોઈશું. ઓકે, thank you so much. This is the most important theory in a GTU exam and also mid-sem exam. Thank you so much.